Hello and welcome students. In this topic, you are going to learn about performing straight line beads and multi-layer practice on mild steel MS plate 10 mm thick in horizontal position using shielded metal arc welding SMAW process.
At the end of this exercise, you will be able to prepare the MS plate as per specifications: 150 mm length, 100 mm width and 10 mm thickness. Set the job in horizontal position. Deposit uniform straight line beads in horizontal position. Inspect the job for any surface defects. Now let us take a look at the equipment required to do straight line beads and multi-layer practice on a 10 mm thick MS plate in horizontal position using the SMAW process. Steel ruler, scriber, prick punch, ball peen hammer, flat file, bench vise, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, electrode cable and earth cable, electrode holder, electrode, personal protective equipment, SMAW welding plant machine and their setup accessories, C-clamp. Let us have a look at the pre-welding preparations for straight line beads and multi-layer practice on a 10 mm thick MS plate in horizontal position using SMAW process. Use the 10 mm MS plate for this welding process. Mark the cutting measurement as 150 mm length and 100 mm width using a ruler and a scriber. Cut the MS plate along the measurement using a bench vise and hacksaw. Fix the MS plate in the bench vise. Perform the cutting as per the marking. File the edges of the MS plate. Check for the squareness of the MS plate. Clean the surface of the MS plate using a wire brush. Draw a straight line using a ruler and a scriber. Make the punching mark by using the punching tool along the line. Let us now look at how to do the welding process of straight line beads and multi-layer practice on a 10 mm thick MS plate in horizontal position using the SMAW process. Fix the punched job on a weld positioner in a horizontal position. Select a 3.15 mm electrode for performing straight line beading. Set the current to 110 amps in the SMAW machine. Start at the left-hand side of the plate and hold the electrode pointing upward at an angle of 70 to 80 degrees to the surface of the base metal. Use a travel angle of 70 to 80 degrees to weld. Making a bead on a plate weld in horizontal position is very much like making it in flat position. Reduce the current to get faster cooling. This helps to avoid overhanging the weld puddle on the bottom side of the plate. Use a faster travel speed and maintain a weld puddle size not larger than the coating diameter of the electrode. Weld using a short arc method to avoid sagging molten metal. Move the electrode to the right with a slight whipping motion. This helps to cool the puddle slightly, solidify faster, and avoid sagging of the beads. Remove the slag with a chipping hammer and clean the bead with a wire brush. Inspect the weldment for any surface defects. Now we will look at the important points to be followed for a straight line bead and multi-layer practice on MS Plate 10 mm thick in horizontal position using the SMAW process. Wear protective clothing. Ensure the correct current and electrodes are used. Inspect the belt weed for surface defects. Let us now see the defects. Undercut. Cracks. Improper bead profile. Excessive reinforcement. Crater. Spatters.
Recap. Let us do a quick recap of what you have learned from this topic. Prepare the MS plate as per size 150 mm length, 100 mm width and 10 mm thickness. Set the job in horizontal position. Deposit uniform straight line beads in horizontal position. Inspect the job for any surface defects. Thank you, students. Let us meet in the next session. Bye-bye.